Now the lab investigation of CKD, chronic kidney disease. Serum blood glucose, HbA1c, cholesterol, LDL, HDL triglycerides, and serum electrolyte, ABG, serum albumin, in iron deficiency anemia, serum iron, total iron binding capacity, ferritin, CKD metabolic bone disorder, serum phosphate, serum calcium, PTH, and vitamin D, abdominal USG for the size of kidney decreased in CKD, hydronephrosis that cause the obstruction, parathyroid USG, increased size in parathyroidism. Treatment of CKD: stop nephrotoxic medication like NSAID and aminoglycosides. Make sure that the cause is not prerenal. Then give IV saline to restore the intravascular volume. Goal to slow the progression. Decrease the calorie intake. Help in manage the body weight. Because the increased BMI worsen the renal function. In hypertension or volume overload, restrict the sodium intake 2 gram per day. Additional oral loop diuretics, furosemide used. Calcium less than 1 gram per day to prevent the tissue deposition of calcium. Potassium intake, if EGFR, estimated GFR, less than 30 ml per minute per 1.73 meter square, limit the potassium intake 4 gram per day. High glycemic control. In case of hypertension, AC inhibitor and ARB used. Proteinuria, enalapril and losartan used. In case of proteinuria, enalapril and losartan used. Edema, oral diuretics used. Hyperlipidemia, statin used. If LDL level is high, then statin therapy continue until less than 70 mg per dl. Hypertriglyceride, weight loss and exercise recommended. Chronic metabolic acidosis, alkali therapy recommended. Anemia, if iron deficiency, iron supplement. If hemoglobin less than 10 gram per dl but not due to the iron deficiency, subcutaneous erythropoiesis stimulating agent used like epoetin and darbepoetin. Hyperphosphatemia, decrease the dietary phosphorus. Hypocalcemia, not always treated because that accumulate in the tissue, that cause the tissue deposition. PTH, increase more than 195 picogram per ml, and vitamin D deficiency and also have hypoglycemia. Oral calcitriol or alpha calcidol used. In stage 4, if any evidence of uremia, hemodialysis, in stage and in stage 5 both. Stage 5 is end stage renal disease. If any evidence of uremia, then dialysis, peritoneal dialysis and renal transplantation recommended. Other indication of that is volume overload, refractory to diuretics, hypertension refractory to hypertensive medication, persistent metabolic disturbance like metabolic acidosis, hyperkalemia, hyperphosphatemia or hypo and hypercalcemia.